Welcome to Engineering Junior with LEGO, where imagination meets creation and every brick builds a new adventure. This course features 3 engaging focus areas: sports challenges, amazing structures, and great adventures, designed to spark creativity, critical thinking, and hands-on problem solving. Students explore physics, engineering, and design principles while building dynamic LEGO creations, bringing their ideas to life. In sports challenges, students design dynamic sports arenas and create thrilling LEGO competitions. They'll learn the basics of physics and movement while building action-packed sports scenes. In amazing structures, students explore architectural wonders by constructing everything from towering skyscrapers to intricate bridges. They'll develop engineering skills and understand the principles of design and balance. Great Adventures invites students to journey into their imaginations, building scenes from epic tales and exploring new worlds. They'll design and construct everything from pirate ships to space missions. Engineering Junior with LEGO fosters creativity, critical thinking, and fine motor skills while turning learning into a playful adventure. Start your students' journey of innovation today.